Guys, what's up? My name is Nicole. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I diffuse my hair. So I just styled my hair using these two products from I'll Say Miracle Curls. So I used the detangle milk and then I went ahead and I used the cream pudding for a stronger hold. So now I'm just gonna let this sit in my hair and develop a cast. So I'm gonna wait anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. Sometimes I wait even more, but we all don't have the time to do that. I know I don't. I just want to get it out the way as soon as possible. So once my hair develops a cast, I'm going to go in with the diffuser and show you how to do it. So yeah, so first step is letting the product just kind of settle in your hair. I would say anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes is fine, but you know your hair best, so just read it. As soon as you feel that your hair starts to harden, then you can go in with the diffuser. So I'll be right back once my hair hardens. Guys, I'm back and my hair still doesn't have like a super hard cast, but it does have a cast. It's not as wet as it was before. So I just added a little bit more product to my hair just to make sure that it's moisturized and has definition. So now I'm going to start diffusing. So a lot of people will tell you not to diffuse your hair with the heat setting. I personally do it in a warm setting. I find that it's faster, but it is, you know, a lot of people do say that it's best to do it on the cool setting. So again, it's preference. I've been doing it in the warm setting and I haven't run into any issues or any sort of heat damage. Of course, you don't want to put like blazing hot heat onto your hair, but I think if you aren't like too crazy, that you'll be fine. I'm going to use the warm setting right here, and then I'm going to be doing it at full speed. So to start off, I don't just like go in and start diffusing. I like to diffuse over top of my hair because that's going to help with the cast, that's going to help dry up your hair, that's going to help it just give it form. So here we go. You scared me. Why'd you scare me like that? You just watched me that whole time, you crazy girl. My goal in diffusing is always to get my roots dry. I find that when I do that, I get the best results. So right here, I'm just ensuring that everything is dry from the inside. And now I'm able to go in from the bottom and start diffusing bottom up. So what I'm doing here, I do on both sides. So everything that I do on one side, I repeat it on the other side. I like to make sure that I diffuse my hair in all directions so that my hair isn't stiff and it's just kind of free flowing. So that's why I flip my hair over, and you know, I go to the side and I do as much as I can to make sure that my curls are just flowing. Alright guys, so here you have it. This is after diffusing my hair. My hair is 100% dry and I think it's gonna get a little bit bigger. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!